get some coffee before we start the day. Okay, so today I'm going to be filming some things I do on a Sunday. First thing I'm going to do is record some audio for New Oriental. And it looks like they are test questions for maybe an IELTS exam. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I'd like you to have my business card. Please go to counter number 6. No problem. Okay, so I just recorded some audio, but there's a bit of an echo in this room. Let's try the bedroom. Okay, set up here, and I think it's going to sound a bit better. Unit 1. Sentences. I'll be glad to be at your service anytime. Okay, could you please fill out this form? Backpack? Inform. Okay, so I've got all my work done. So I'm gonna have a shower, and I found a park not far from here, which hopefully should be suitable for flying. So why don't we try it out, see how we get on. So there's some beautiful bamboo here. Must be over 60, 70 meters high. It's a beautiful area. Never been to this park before. Wangjiang Gongyuan. Wangjiang is like to stare out at the Jiang River Park. Actually, it's Wangjiang Lou Gongyuan. Okay, so we did the first flight in the park. Lots of obstacles, like bamboo, but it looks really nice here, so hopefully there's some footage we can keep. Now, here we are at my favourite shop in all the world, Carrefour. So I got all the shopping done out of Carrefour. Now it's still quite sunny, and I think the drone has been charged during this period. I brought like a spare battery. So what I'm going to try and do, get this bike and then maybe find a place for a quick flight before dropping all of the things off back home. Let's do that. Okay, I'm back at the apartment. I'm going to have a rest, make something to eat, and then maybe a little bit later back out and see if we can film something halfway interesting. Sure the name of this river, Dajiang, but it's quite colourful. Some nice lights. So my plan was to try and fly just over the river. So let's see how we get on. First successful night flight and over water. I was so nervous there. But it was fun today. Now I have to go back and edit all this together. And yeah, so that was my Sunday.